Welcome to Tech Topics. Today's tech topic is, can't I just put a surge protector on the main panel and be done with it? You know, the answer to that question is maybe. Maybe if you live in a small apartment or house, you can put one unit on the main panel and be done with it. But in the real industrial world, that's not even feasible. Studies have reported since 1987 to 2017 that only 20% of the power quality problems come in from the mains. The other 80% are created internally. The number one issue with transients today is the switching transient that occurs inside the facility. So you need more than one unit. I wish I could tell you different, but you need a study. You need one of our people to come in and evaluate your system. Every panel doesn't need a surge protector. We want to start with the most critical equipment first, that which impacts your bottom line and impacts your mental health. Let us help you today.